All praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Racha, Quadash. And of course, you know, gotta be thankful for knowing the truth. Gotta be thankful for the teachers, even though we might have learned from YouTube and never actually met the person. Gotta be grateful for all those teachers, starting from the apostles of GMS and the elders on down. Alright, so today we're going to do something on kneeling. I don't know what the name of the title is going to be, but it has to do with kneeling, because Colin Kaepernick was kneeling, and there's a big deal saying, you see him kneeling right there, and other people in other parts of the sea right there, and he's got a big fro, and it's really pathetic. People don't stop and think about what he's really doing. He's worshiping the flag still. That's even more worship than saluting it, because a salute is basically, well, let's fucking find out what a salute is, because I was in the NJROTC, and I know for a fact that when you salute an officer, the superior never shows his palm. That's why you see Trump. He shouldn't be saluting anybody. They should be saluting him. But when a general from the United States salutes, like you look at any other general, what the fuck's the name? General Mattis or something like that. Well, they don't salute with their palm up. They're completely away from the subordinate. So it's, come on, please. Let's just get a simple definition, because that's basic right there. It's a gesture of respect, homage, or polite recognition or acknowledgement, especially one made to or by a person when arriving or departing. So that's all you're doing, showing respect to the flag. Now, even if you're standing and not saluting it, you're still showing respect. So again, let me show you that this guy right here, he's worshiping the flag more by kneeling. Okay, let's see what the scriptures say about that word kneeling. The definition of word kneeling. I'm gonna read the scripture first. This is 1 Kings 8:54, and it was so that when Solomon had made an end of praying all his prayer and supplication unto Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, he arose from before the altar of Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, from kneeling on his knees with his hands spread up to heaven. So that's worshiping, right? And that would be in the Hebrew. So it'll come up right here. Let's get rid of the master ready. 5 points. Okay. Let's see. Kneeling. Alright. Karai. Karai. The first letter is Ka. The second one is Ra. And the third one is I. Cry. Or Karai. To bow down, fell, subdued, brought low, couched, feeble, kneeling. And those are just translating count the outline of biblical usage to bend, kneel, bow down, sink down to one's knees, kneel down to rest of animals, kneel in reverence, to bow down, crouch, to bow down over, to tilt, lean, to toss a bow. So it said kneel in reverence. That's what I'm trying to explain. Kara, it's correct. Primitive root to bend the knee by implication. To sink, to prostrate. Ooh, to prostrate. Prostrate, I mean. Let's look for that word, prostrate. Because they got the word kneel here, but we already figured out what the word kneel is. Oops. Prostrate. In submission. Prostrate, lying face down in submission. Worship. It's worship. So what he's doing is just worshiping the flag still. That's it. Nothing else. Okay? But let's keep going over here. So we know that when we go to the scriptures and we find the definition of a word, it should be over the definition of the secular world. Even though sometimes it matches up and sometimes it doesn't. But we should lean towards the Bible more. Alright, let's keep scripture in the New Testament, because that was the Old Testament. So now we're going to go to Matthew 17 and 14. And when they were come to the multitude, there came to him a certain man, kneeling down to him and saying, so kneeling down to him, probably worshiping Yahushua. But let's look at the tools. Now we're going to get into the Greek. Right. Kneeling down. Going tail. Kneel down, to bow down, kneel to. Outline of biblical usage. To fall on the knees, the act of imploring aid. Ooh. And expressing reverence and honor. Dang. So that's what Kaepernick is doing. That's what he's doing. Simple. With that, I'm going to say, Kahalayim Bashim Yahushai Bashim Yakah Kadash. To walk to the apostles of GMS. And peace. And more knowledge, wisdom, and understanding for the elect.